welcome to today's class. Today I will teach you how to raise a margin scheme invoice under VAT. First, let me briefly explain what a profit margin scheme is, and then I will teach you how this invoice can be raised. Normally, tax is calculated in the total sales value. However, if you have opted for profit margin scheme, you can calculate the tax on the profit margin earned. Different goods for which profit scheme applies. The following goods which can be supplied under profit scheme are second-hand goods like used cars, etc., antique which is over 50 years old, collector's items like stamps, coins and currency. This option to calculate tax on profit is given to avoid double taxation. As I explained earlier, if you are supplying any of the above goods, you have an option to choose the profit margin scheme, or you can also choose the regular schemes. If you choose the margin scheme, you will not be allowed to claim input tax credits. If you have opted the regular schemes, you can continue to claim inputs. In this video, I will teach you how to raise a margin scheme invoice. Conditions for margin scheme invoice. There are 3 conditions to be met for raising a margin scheme invoice. You must have opted for the margin scheme. They should be purchased from an unregistered person or another margin scheme vendor. Input tax should not be recovered on the purchased. Let us see how to raise a margin scheme invoice using Reach accounting software. Click on Income in the top tab menu and choose Income. Click on Add Invoice. The first tab will prompt you to choose the type of invoice you choose to raise. Choose Margin Scheme Invoice. The invoice voucher entry is divided into 3 sections. The first section allows you to fill the basic invoice details like date, terms, currency and due date. The second section allows you to choose the products, description, quantity and value. Please note that you have an option to fill the assessable value or the profit made on the products. Reach will automatically calculate the taxes on the assessable value instead of the sale value. The final section allows you to enter and set reminder for payment follow-up. Fill the details appropriately. Once done, you have the option to save the invoice. On saving the invoice, Reach software will automatically prepare the margin scheme invoice. As you see, the margin scheme invoice will not display taxes separately. The daybook, ledgers, trial balances and financial statements are automatically posted and prepared. It will also auto-populate the relevant tax codes in the VAT form, so you will not have to prepare them manually later. Now, if you check the VAT report, you will see the appropriate section filled automatically. In case you have any further clarifications, please feel free to chat with our agents from the support chat inside your account. I hope you found this video useful. In the next video, I will teach you how to export invoice. Continue watching. Thank you.